Hi and welcome. We are live from Prairie View Elementary to bring you live coverage of the local weather. My name is Jesse. First, let me begin by sharing a bit about volcanoes. A volcano is a vent or an opening in the Earth's surface through molten rock, gases, and ash erupt. Now here to tell you about the different types of volcanoes is Hispanic correspondent Kristen.
The first type of volcano is a shield volcano. It is the largest volcano that occurs on ridges and hotspots. They erupt every few years and spread over a large area. The second type of volcano is a composite volcano. It doesn't erupt often but causes violent eruptions. It is made up of layers of lava and ash. The third type of volcano is a cinder volcano. They are steep slopes with wide craters at the top. They occur in groups near composite or shield volcanoes. The fourth type of volcano is the caldera. It is a large eruption that is created by a crater. Now let's send it over to Ashton to tell us how volcanoes are formed.
Thanks, Kristen. Volcanoes are formed when magma rises to the surface. When magma gets to the surface, it erupts to form lava and ash. As the volcano continues to erupt, it gets bigger and bigger.
I'm the correspondent Ryan, and I'm going to be telling you why volcanoes erupt. When volcanoes erupt and magma, gas, and water become steam. This creates a lot of pressure. When pressure becomes too strong, a volcano erupts. Now turn it over to Don to take a look at interesting facts about volcanoes.
People believe that volcanic mud has healing powers. It surprises me that volcanic mud can heal a person. I feel that this is different because I usually play in mud, not use it for making me feel better. Volcanoes can erupt and knock down a whole forest. It surprises me that it can knock down a whole forest because it is a huge area. Lava can reach up to 5 times the temperature as the hottest pizza oven. I would be scared to have lava touch me. Here to wrap the weather report up is Ryan.
For millions of years, volcanoes have been active. They eventually die out blizzards of lava. Send us to the volcano doesn't erupt again, it will be extinct. Thanks for listening to Prairie View TV Weather Report. And now back to the station for the next weather report. Please stay tuned for further updates.